Good evening, everyone. Today marks the beginning of a brand new journey. To our graduates, families, friends, faculty, staff, and guests, thank you for being here to celebrate this incredible milestone. Before anything else, I want to thank our teachers and our families for pushing us, supporting us, and helping us become the people we are today. Now, class of 2026, do we remember our sophomore year pep rally? We walked into that pep rally and we showed out. We won the spirit stick, and was anyone really surprised? Because even back then, we already knew we were the most energetic class. Class of 2026, that was and is us. That is the same energy we are going to take out of this building tonight and use to change the world. And I say that because I know firsthand what it means when someone's world gets changed for them. If you know me even a little bit, you know me. You probably heard this before. I come to this country from Nepal when I was 9 years old. Back then, I didn't know the culture, I didn't know the language, and honestly, I didn't even know if I truly belonged here. And today, I'm standing in front of you all giving this speech. I don't say that to impress you, but rather to remind you of something truly important. Growing up in Nepal showed me a world that most of us here don't see every day. Right now, as we sit in this very room celebrating, there are children in war zones. There are kids our age working day and night, not to save for college, but just to survive. Kids who are as brilliant as us, who have every dream we have, but will never get this moment, never get this stage, and never get this chance. So when I say do it tired, I mean it. Do it unmotivated. Do it even when no one is watching, because someone, somewhere out there is wishing with everything they have that they could trade places with you tonight. Do not waste this chance. I also want to thank the people who made this moment possible for me personally. Mommy and Dad, thank you for living everything you knew, crossing an ocean, bringing me to a country full of possibility. You gave me a chance I'll spend the rest of my life being worthy of. म तपाईहरुलाई धेरै धेरै माया गर्छु. To my sister, thank you for paving the way. Before I even knew to dream it. For being there through every late night, every breakdown, every moment I didn't think I could do it. And to my baby brother, you're the absolute joy of my life, never change. Class of 2026, we're truly the Tabb High, truly the best Tabb High has ever seen. We have brought energy, passion, and spirit to every corner of Tabb High. Carry that same spirit into every room you enter, every challenge you face, and every dream you pursue. Let it remind you to keep going when things get difficult, and to stay grounded when success comes your way. And as you move through life, do it for yourselves. Do it for the people who sacrificed for you, and do it for those who never had the opportunities we have been given. Congratulations, Tigers. Let's go change the world.